Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil. I'm also going to go for dollar index today in case you're looking at dollar strength or weakness for your other trades that correlates with dollar. Now, what do we have right here? And price is nicely pushing down, and right here my targets has been hit, which is something I'm going to leave it for the weekend's video. For now, what to expect? At this point, we are just looking for some sort of pullback. Now, if there is a pullback, doesn't mean the price is going to reverse on you. Doesn't mean I'm going to start buying. It is just going to be a pullback, just a normal process in a downtrend short term. Once we have that, I'm going to look for the bearish engulfing pattern and keep on taking shots. Now, if you're someone who want to look for the bearish engulfers on 1 hour time frame, it is something I've not tested heavily, but I want to show you one trade which we had on 1 hour time frame, which is right here. As you can see, this bearish engulfer, and from here, if you put your stop loss a little bit above and take profit 1-to-1, that would have hit your take profit. Now, I've not tested again 1-to-1, but if you're someone who's looking for day trades, you can also look for 1 hour, and if you want to test that on smaller time frame, look for that as well. So for now, I'll be looking for my entries on 4 hours just with a pullback followed by bearish engulfer. Could be a retest of this trend line, and must be above 50 EMA. Once we have that, I'm going to go short till the price get to my trend continuation bullish area. It is something I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out and mark these zones on your chart. I've mentioned for all three platforms: Nymex, Capital.com, and Owanda. So only bearish trades till we are here. Once we are here, we're going to start to look for the bullish engulfers and double bottom entry confirmation. Nothing changed, just looking for bearish trades as mentioned yesterday. Here on Capital.com, we are still looking for the bearish trades. Again, just looking for the bearish engulfer. Like I mentioned yesterday, we are getting a bearish cross. We had a bearish cross. Now all I'm looking at the bearish engulfing pattern below 50 EMA. Once we have that, I'm going to go short till here. A zone that has been mentioned in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out, from where I'll be looking for the possible bounce out of net gas. Now, if let's say there's no condition and due to some sort of news event, price dramatically pushes up, only then I'll start to look for the bullish trades if we are broken above 50 EMA. That is why I say conditions are very important. Bearish doesn't mean you just start selling blindly. I want to see conditions for that by keeping my stop loss and take profit both. So keep an eye. For now, I'm looking for the bearish trades with conditions only. Next up, we have Nymex. Nymex is also below 50 EMA. There could be a chance the price can bounce up from this trend line here on Nymex till 50 EMA. From here, we can see bearish engulfing pattern. If you have that, I'm going to go short. Doesn't mean I'm going to start buying, but in general, we can expect some pullback from here, and I'm still going to look for the bearish engulfing pattern. Once we have that, I'm going to go short till here, the zone that was mentioned yesterday. As long as we are below 50 EMA, I'm not looking for buy trades unless we are above 50 EMA or we are at this zone below. Keep an eye, these are the conditions now I'll be looking at for my possible trades. Here on gold, we have a pullback. Now, I've mentioned yesterday that silver has reached a trend continuation level right here, and out of this minor double bottom aggressive pattern, price has pushed up from here, and I've mentioned that we can see a possible bounce out of silver, a short-term bounce, then price can likely to push down. Now, if you look here on 1 hour time frame, that's a clear double bottom pattern, and let's say you've entered it right here, kept your stop loss below the wicks and gone 1-to-1, that has been hit as well on a smaller time frame. So all we were looking at a scalp. So let me show you what I've said in my last video so we can connect the dots from there. Here on silver is now inside the anchor support. Now it is not a major support. So if let's say we have a bullish engulfer and it turns to be a double bottom pattern, in that case, that will be an entry condition, just a scalp, a bounce. That could be till the recent level of resistance, which is right up there, 3140, that goes up to 3219, from where we can start to look for the bearish trades again. Or after the bounce, I'll exit. If you have a bearish engulfer below 50 EMA, I'm gonna go short. Perfect. So as mentioned, that we can expect a bounce from anchor level, and that has also pushed the gold up in that process, but that is just a pullback which I was expecting. Now all I'm waiting for the price to form some sort of bearish engulfer below 50 EMA. If we have that, I'm gonna go short for gold again. Or if there is no condition, if the price break below these lows, I'm gonna start to look for my bearish trade. Still we are in this zone below, which has been mentioned in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out and mark your zones accordingly. So only bearish trades as long as we are trading below 50 and 20 EMA. Once we've broken above, only then I start to look for my next buy trade till we are in this area. Keep an eye, only bearish trades for gold. Next one, we have crude oil. Nicely bounced up from my support zone, my trend continuation zone that was clearly mentioned yesterday. Out of this bullish candle, price is now pushing up and broken above 50 and 20 EMA. It's now pushing down and inside of anchor support, a major trend continuation zone. from where now we'll be looking to enter our buy trades. Now less aggressive entry will be double bottom pattern. Aggressive entry will be red and bigger green engulfing candle. Once we have that, we're gonna go long. Perfect. So as now price pushed up, now all I'm looking for the price to form some sort of more momentum, bullish engulfer, and I'm going to keep on taking long till price gets to the previous equal highs. Only buy trades for now. If this turns to be a bullish 382 candle, that is also a sort of buy signal for me, and that will likely to push the price high. Now I'll keep an eye on my double bottom pattern as well, which is something like this from my rejection zone. If the price, let's say, give us a pullback, doesn't mean we are going to reverse. I'm going to start to look for a bullish engulfer or a 382 candle within this area and price. If there's a double bottom condition, I'm going to go long from it, and that will be a strongest entry by keeping my stop loss below the rejection zone. So these are the conditions now I'll be looking at for crude oil, either this 382 candle or either with a pullback entry bullish above 50 EMA. So only buy trades for crude oil. Lastly, we have DXY. Now if you're trading gold or other commodities or pair that correlates with DXY, I'm looking at the strength in a dollar index. Still we are right here at the minor level. Now it is a minor level. 104.56 goes to 105.04, from where we can start to look for some sort of weakness in dollar for the short term before the price will pushes up. Now this, I will take an advantage of this weakness if we are trading gold. Let's say we are trading gold, prices here, and if I have a condition in gold for buy and we are here as well, I know that we're going to get a weakness in a dollar index and gold will likely to push up. In that case, I will take my buy trades. But conditions are very important on both platforms. So that's what I'll be looking at. If you're looking at dollar index, expect some weakness from here and short-term weakness, and then I'm expecting a price to push up after a pullback from here to the major level, which is right up there, from where we can expect some sort of good push down. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.